All right, guys, welcome to lesson 101. Moving to the last section of this whole book. So here we go. All right, these are ratio problem. Or no, this is this bad language. Let's say puzzles involving totals. There we go. It sounds a little less, or a little more friendly than problems. Okay, so let's look at this. The ratio of parents to children at the picnic was 5-4. All right, if there were 27 total persons at the picnic, how many of them were children? Well, it's a pretty simple setup here to do. What we're going to do is look at this as, this is what we're going to do for all these. Just make yourself a little chart, and really as simple as you can. I wouldn't even write parents, don't try to make this complicated. I'd do something like this. Just go parents and children and total. You can go, okay, the ratio of parents to children was 5-4. I go, okay, that's 5, and then the 4. There were 27 total persons. Okay, what I would do is go, well, obviously with the 5-4, there could be 9 persons, right? But they're telling us there are not. There are 27. So over here, next to this, I would just put a 27. Now your only job becomes to go, okay, well, the ratio was this to this. What did I do to 9 to get to 27? Obviously, you multiply it by 3. All right, so you're going to do that for every single one of these that are blank. So 5 times 3 is 15. 4 times 3 is 12. And you have 15 parents and 12 children. Obviously, add those together. There's your 27. Piece of cake. We'll do more of these this year and next year at pre-algebra. So, okay, let's try another one. Ratio of football players to band members was 2-5. Altogether, there were 175 football players and band members. How many football players were there? All right. Well, look back at this ratio thing. We're going to do exactly the same thing. So once you pause it, go back to this problem. If you want to go back and make your own little chart that looks like this over here, and see if you get it right. So pause it and try it. Okay, I'm assuming you paused it and tried it. Okay, football players to band members looks like this. It's 2-5. The total members are 7 in this one, this little ratio. All right, altogether the actual number of everybody was 175. So what are we doing to 7 to make it into 175? Well, if you do the division, that's 25. You're multiplying by 25. So you just multiply by 25 of all these. So 2 times 25 is 50. It's a piece of cake. Let's see here. 5 times 25 is 125. And of course, you notice that if you add those together, boom, there's your 175. That's all there is to it. Okay. All right. Give practice problems A and B a whirl, and we'll come back when you're ready. So pause it and try this one. Okay. Sparrows and crows, 5-3. Here we go. So we got sparrows, 5. We got crows, 3. Okay. Total is 8. All right. The total number of sparrows and crows was 72. How many were each? Let's see here. Well, obviously we're taking from 8 and we're going to 72. We're multiplying by 9. So 3 times 9, 27. 5 times 9. We don't need to do this, but we'll just do it anyway. How many were crows? Well, 27. And of course, 45 plus 27 gives you 72. So, all right, pause it and try B, then come back. Okay, let's try B. Raisins and nuts were mixed by weight in a ratio of 2-3. Where are the M&Ms? That's what I want to know. That's all. When these trail mix things, you got to pour out the raisins and nuts, throw them in the garbage can, just eat the M&Ms. Okay. Wait, they have gluten, so homeschoolers, you can do that. Okay. All right, we got 60 ounces total. How many were raisins? All right, let me just underline raisins to remind me. Okay, so we got raisins and nuts, 2-3. Raisins and nuts, and of course the basic stripped down ratio is going to be 5. They say 60 prepared total, so that's going to be 60 total. How many were raisins? Well, 5 times 12, so 3 times 12 is 36. That's the answer. Let's just check it to make sure. 2 times 12 is 24, and we can go, okay, those two added together will give you 60, and there you go. Okay, all right, that is it for lesson 101. Do a good job on your practice problems today, and I'll see you next time.